You do bicep curls every week. You even get a pump after your workout. But even after months, your arms are still the same. If this is happening to you, then there is a chance that you are making one of these 3 common mistakes. The very first mistake is using your entire body to lift the weight. Many people swing their lower back forward and backward while doing curls and use momentum to bring the weight up. This makes the weight move, but instead of the biceps, other muscles of the body are doing the work. The second mistake is only chasing heavy weights. Many people think that the more weight they lift, the more growth they will get. But when the weight becomes so heavy that your form starts to break down, muscle growth can slow down. The third and very common mistake is doing half reps. People do not lower the curl all the way down, or they do not fully squeeze at the top. Because of this, the bicep does not get a full stretch and contraction, and the muscle growth potential becomes lower. Now, let's talk about how to fix these mistakes. First, instead of swinging the weight, lift it with control. Keep your elbows close to your body and do not use momentum. Second, do not chase only heavy weights. Choose a weight that is challenging but does not ruin your form. Third, perform every rep with a full range of motion. Give your arm a proper stretch at the bottom and squeeze your bicep properly at the top. So if your biceps are not growing, check whether you are making any of these 3 mistakes. Fix them, train consistently, and over time, your arms will start showing better results. Follow for fitness and muscle building tips.